Very good morning. Well, I am here assigned with the topic of the Constitution of the India. Here, the topic is the emergency provision. In my last class, we discussed uh, about the emergency provision. Today, we are here with the emergency provision in the reference in between the President rule, and the President rule is also termed as the state emergency. First, here we have to understand, because any system may lapse any time, because that we are living in a democratic country. India is basically a democratic country. We are a setup of a democratic system, and as you know, the system is simply a output of the so many subsystems. Sometimes due to very unavoidable cause, due to some natural cause, due to some system cause, sometimes the system gets lapse, system breakdowns. At the time of when the system is getting the breakdown, so generally the constitution's pundit and the constitution drafter felt the situation that there should be a remedial process and there should be a remedial provisions. So here, the Article 355, if the state, external and the internal constitution, in a state, external and the internal constitution is not being respected by a state, it means that some constitutional mechanism, a constitutional machinery is not being properly functioned in the state. This is a very question mark situation, especially in the democracy. To avoid this, we have in the Article 356. This is basically a corrective measure. Here, the central rule, or you can say the presidential rule, even you can say the unitary rule functions here. Here, all the states' power being the seized, and the only the presidential power, and you can say the central or unitary power will operate from here. Here, the government imply the executive as a governor to look after the operational democratic operational system in that particular state. Here, you can say also that the state becomes the responsible to run the democracy, to run the basic executive function, or even the basic legislative and the judiciary function under the head of the executive, that is the governor. There are basically 4 points and the 4 concepts where we opt for the president rule or a state machinery. Number 1, a state legislator is unable to elect the leader. During this period, the state government cannot elect the government. Right now, I am just placing one example, Jammu Kashmir. Right now, the Jammu Kashmir is the state where this state is under the governor rule, and here even the election right now not select the leader. Second, the breakdown of the coalition government, if the practical and the logical and the rational combination of electoral mathematics is not being done in that particular state, it means that the president may interfere and they can go for the president rule. There are so many examples of it. Recently, we faced the example just 2 years back in the Goa. Number 3, election postponed for the unavoidable condition, especially during the pandemic, during the epidemic, during the war and the natural resources. And finally, president rule can be revoked in any time, even without having the permission from the parliament. So these are basically 4 points where under the emergency provision, the president go for the state emergency. Here, just I am giving some case study. In the 1992, especially in the Uttar Pradesh, the demolition of the Babri Masjid was occurred there. The effect, far-reaching effect, also promoted in the state of the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and the Himachal Pradesh in the 1992. There also the government opted the emergency provision and the state emergency clapped over there, because constitutionally the India is a secular country. There is a no official religion affair. This was not good for the Indian democracy. That's why even the UP, MP, Rajasthan and the Himachal Pradesh opted the state emergency. Even the Punjab, during the terrorist attack in the decade of the 1980s, the Punjab has been the very effective example, and very regular. The government went, and even the center president rule and even the state emergency has been the clamp there. Karnataka and the Kerala is also an example for the state emergency. So the state emergency or the presidential rule and the emergency provision, the Article 356 is giving us equipment. With the article of the 356, there is a constitutional provision. We can go for the state emergency and the president rule. Thank you very much. Bye.